shot, Devon. Back him into the corner. Well, they tried a little double team on the Golden Boy, and it didn't work. Rude runs into a fist with the Golden Boy, and one for Chris Fury, and another one. And the Golden Boys caught him with a drop kick. Tully comes into him. He catches the fist from the Golden Boy, and from Chris Fury. Another from the Golden Boy, another one from Chris Fury, and a steady drop kick from the Golden Boy. And Tully decides to go out of the ring.
Well, maybe these old schoolers are scared of these young guys. You know, they got a lot of energy, the young ones do. Ooh, Tully looks mad.
They might need to go back to the old school.
Ooh, Joe, you're making him old man, Joe. Joe, you're making a man up there.
That's right. I got Big Red left me an equalizer before he left here.
Well, just when he feels froggy and gets you, I'm out of here.
You mean you ain't got my back, Sandra? Oh, I see how it is.
Oh, what a move.
Oh, the boy, arm dragged him over. Hold on that arm. He's got that arm bit back.
Rude is in pain. Look at him. Look at that face. That's the agony of pain right there, Joe.
Well, he grabs Golden Boy by the hair. I guess that's from the old school, too.
Well, I tell you, they better pull out some old school tricks.
Guys, I tag on Chris Fury. In the corner. Oh, he's on with a shoulder. Nasty Boy drop kicked him from the back, and Chris Fury drop kicked him from the front. Going for the cover. Oh, he might have had it, but Tully come in and broke it up. Well, that's a right to the eye. That'll slow anybody up. The referee tells you to keep the fist open. I don't think Rude knows how to do that. Tag on Tully. Tully comes in and goes to work on Chris Fury. The referee tells him to get him out of the corner. He goes straight in the corner, and Chris Fury comes. He stopped and then drop kick him right in the face.
Ooh, Tully didn't know what hit him. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, he's using his mind. He's using his brains all right.
Oh, there's a drop kick off the top rope.
Oh.
Hooks the leg. Who kept? Tully got out.
You know, Rude and Tully, they've got their hands full tonight.
Oh, Chris Fury just caught him with a step over the hold. He goes down, hit that mat face first.
Yeah, popped him right in the face.
Cover. Tony come in and stoned Chris in the back of the head. That broke the count. Chris rolls him up. Shoulder. There he goes down. Goes for the cover.
Almost. Boy, I tell you what, this is more than what they bargained for.
Oh, he went for that one of the EDP and Rude.
Oh.
Caught him with on that top rope road truck. Oh, that's a right to the eye.
Well, he's got to try all those old tricks.
Nailed him, he's really right it out. Boy.
Oh, my goodness.
Oh, laughing away. I think he's trying to intimidate Chris Fury.
I think that's what it is, too.
I don't think he'd intimidate Chris Fury. Him and the Golden Boy, either one. They may give up a lot of weight and size, but you can't intimidate them. Chris Fury is. Chris come out of there and just caught him with a rolling clothesline. Goes for the cover, hooks the leg. 2 count. Chris is able to get out. Tag and Tully caught him with a clothesline. 2 count. Good to hold him. Well, I don't blame the Golden Boy. Brother was standing on Chris Fury's throat. I can't blame the Golden Boy for stopping. 2 count. Chris got out. Oh, and he comes over and just nails the Golden Boy. Well, the Golden Boy is pulling a ring. Well, that's from the old school.
That's
Double
some of
team.
it.
I've seen that in it. Yeah, the double team that comes from the old school. And Rudy and Tully are good at double teaming.
Well, I think Rude thinks that he's got it. He looks confident. Uh-oh.
Chris Perry trying to make his way to the corner.
Uh-oh.
Well, there's the tag, but the referee didn't see it.
There was a tag. Yeah, there was a...
Oh, he just throws Chris Perry over the top rope. There's Tully up out here. Yep, that's naughty by nature for you. If they can't cheat, double team, then they don't want to play.
That's right. Well, he's choking him. Well, you can tell Rude and Tully's not playing around now.
Oh, he just comes in and knows the Golden Boy.
Ooh, the crowd and Joe is saying, hit the referee.
Well, they do that so they can double team.
Oh, my goodness. He has broke his back.
The referee needs to pay more attention to naughty by nature than he does to Golden Boy.
Why, he's probably scared of him. I think he's scared of him. I think they intimidate the referee.
I think they intimidate some of the referees. I don't know if Rashad is intimidated by him or not, but they do have a habit of trying to intimidate the referee. Well, they fix him up. Oh, land him down. Well, they finally made a legal tag.
Well, there goes Rude. He's intimidating Golden Boy. Gets the referee on Golden Boy.
Well, there's another double team. Goes to the cover.
Oh, it's a 2 count.
Well, they still
Come on,
couldn't beat
Chris.
Chris Fury. Chris has
Chris.
been there a long time. They've double teamed him, and still cannot beat him. He's got the clothesline, got the second one. Goes to roll him over.
Well, what in the world?
Well, he tried to hold on to
Ooh,
the referee.
almost.
Oh, there's a clothesline and third Chris
What
Fury.
in the world did he do?
Somersault. Come on, Chris. So, there's he down to the mat. Goes up for that second row. Oh, he comes off for that splash, and Chris Perry was not there. He rolled out of the way. He needs a tag bad. He needs to muster up enough energy to make it
He
over to
does.
the tag to Golden Boy. Golden Boy's a fresh,
He does need to tag
he's
out
a
his
fresh
partner.
man. Come on, Chris. Well, Ruth tried to hold on to Chris's feet. Chris just spun around and kicked him in the back of the head.
Well, you know, Joe,
Chris
he
make a tag.
probably don't have much strength left in his body.
And a tag on the Golden Boy. And the Golden Boy comes in, and he's a fresh man. He takes on both Rude and Tully. DDP. I don't forget who's a legal man now.
I don't know, Joe. They just in there.
We got all 4 guys in there at one time.
Oh, my
he just
goodness.
throws Chris Fury
Oh.
out of the ring.
Oh.
And Tully just throws Rude right into the Golden Boy, and the Golden Boy caught him with a spear.
just like Golden Boy may get their pen after all.
Oh, that's a 3-day-old Golden Boy.
Well, what in the world? Who are these guys, Joe?